Welcome back to Show Academy. Imagine you're a detective at the world's busiest zoo. Someone hands you a mystery animal in a box, and your job is to figure out exactly what it is. But you can't guess. You can't Google. You only get clues. That's where the dichotomous key comes in. Think of it as your detective's flowchart. It's built from pairs of contrasting statements like little yes or no crossroads. You open the box. The first question, does it have wings or no wings? You check, no wings. Okay, follow the no wings path. Next clue, does it have scales or smooth skin? You look closer, scales, follow that path. Step by step, each answer narrows it down until finally, bam, the trail leads you straight to the name of your animal. That's the magic of a dichotomous key. You don't look at everything at once. You take one organism at a time and break the mystery down with clear choices. No wild guesses, no confusion, just logical steps leading to the right answer. So whenever you see a dichotomous key, remember, it's not just biology, it's detective work. And every yes or no you choose is one more clue pointing you to the truth. Study smart. Grade up with Show Academy.